Hi everyone. If you are preparing for AI 900 exam, all the upcoming videos will be very helpful. So keep watching. This video is about AI fundamentals and we are going to cover various important topics. Let's see what are all we are going to cover. So the first one is machine learning, then computer vision, natural language processing, knowledge mining, document intelligence, and finally generative AI. So, we are going to cover all these in detail in the upcoming videos. Now, before getting into machine learning, let us understand what is an AI. AI is a software that acts like a human. It imitates human behaviors and its capability. So, first, it is used in the healthcare industry where based on the person's record, a problem can be diagnosed at the earlier stage. Second, it helps with overcoming the physical disadvantages or disabilities of a person. Some of the popular devices are better hearing aid and a motorized vehicle. Then it helps to improve the infrastructure of a city, mainly in the transportation and traffic management systems. And finally, it is mainly helpful with entertainment experience of the customers. So now, moving to the machine learning. That is mainly designed with an idea that a software system can learn from the data, analyze the patterns, and make decisions like a human without a human intervention. Example for this is Yield, which is an agricultural company that mainly uses sensors, data, and machine learning to help farmers to take decisions based on the weather conditions. Now, let us see about the working of the machine learning. So, here every day a huge data is generated in various formats such as emails, posts, text messages, then articles. So many things. So, using that data, we can train the models and the predictions and the inferences are made based on the relationship between the data. So, now let us see an example for this. The scientist collects data on the wildflower samples, label the data with the correct species, then they find the relationship between the labeled data using algorithms and encapsulate it in the model. With the gained knowledge, it is easy to identify the correct species. So now coming to the next one, the machine learning in Microsoft Azure. The Microsoft Azure provides the machine learning services mainly for creating, managing, and publishing ML models. The ML Studio offers automated ML, automated ML designer, data metric visualization, and the notebooks. The first one, the automated ML, it allows even a non-expert to create the ML models. Coming to the ML designer, it is a graphical interface which helps with creating a no-code solution. Then now, the data metric visualization helps to analyze and optimize experiments with visualizations. And finally, the notebooks helps to run and write code in Jupyter notebooks. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching.